it's worth stepping back from the details and seeing what our estimate helps us to do. We'll start with the model. Y is x beta plus epsilon, and let's sort out the properties. X beta is fixed, and it is what we call the signal, the true underlying linear relation between x and y that we're assuming is the case. And then we have epsilon, which is the noise. And so that is random and it's an error. So we get our data points and we make our estimate, and our estimate of y is y hat, which is x beta hat. And we wrote the error, or the residual, as y minus y hat. So if we take this definition and rewrite it, then we get y is equal to y hat plus e. In other words, y is equal to x beta hat plus e. And it is well worth comparing this expression for y with what the model says. They look awfully similar. You see, our job was to extract the signal. We're seeing signal plus noise. We want to know what the signal is. And at the end of our estimation process, that is what we say we have done. That's our best guess. X beta hat is our best guess at the signal x beta. And E, the residuals, are our best guess at the epsilons. So y equals x beta hat plus epsilon is the truth that is unknown to us. Y equals x beta hat plus e is our version of the truth. Some detail. X beta is a fixed signal, but x beta hat is random. It is based on the sample. E is random, and so is just as epsilon was. And you'll remember that this was a mean zero vector by assumption of the model. And the corresponding result for E is that the average is equal to 0. You've known for a long time that the average residual in simple regression is equal to 0. The same is true in multiple regression, as you'll see when we start working out properties of these things. But the epsilons were assumed independent of each other. If errors average out to 0, they can't possibly be independent. So our breakdown of y in terms of x beta hat plus e is our best attempt to get as close to x beta plus epsilon as possible. And we can get some way there, but of course we're never going to know exactly what the truth is.